In this video, I want to talk about the power of intention. Yes, if you don't have the desired outcomes, if you are struggling with, creating certain results, and you're wondering what's missing, then in all probability, intentionality is missing, right? And it's very, very critical. I am going to talk about how having an intention, whatever that intention is, will impact your outcomes, right? So stay on right until the end. Hi, I'm Astha Tatia, daughter of two rock solid pillars, mother to a lovely daughter, wife of a humor king, an engineer, MBA, corporate executive turned anchor person, now an author and a happiness coach, helping corporate leaders build deep connections and meaningful relationships in their organizations. Do hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Well, every time that you are, considering, why is the outcome not what I desired it to be? ऐसा क्यों नहीं हो रहा या ये क्यों नहीं हो पा रहा? That's one aspect of it, right? The other thing, as a leader, you want to, really impact people's lives, but you feel there is only so much that I can do. Your team member walks up to you and is looking for you to support him, and you say, okay, I can do only so much because I have only so much of time, I have only so much of resources. Yeah. And you're wondering, I mean, it's his journey, it's his life, he needs to be, in charge. I don't have this and this what he needs, and therefore I cannot help him, right? And so both ways, whether it's the people outside or whether it's you, whether it's this side helping yourself or whether it's helping somebody else, if the intentionality is there, or whatever is the intention will lead you to do things accordingly, will then create the results accordingly. Oprah Winfrey says, the intention with which you serve or you contribute, the intention with which you serve will determine the outcome. So whether you have the time or not, whether you have the resources or not, whether you have the capability or not, you think I am not competent enough, or right now I have nothing that I can offer, whether materialistic or otherwise, to be able to help the other person or support the other person or empower the other person, consider the intentionality is missing there. The intention is, I won't say missing there, but it's a certain kind of an intention which will lead you into doing it. If you have a strong intention that no matter what, I've got to get my team member out of this mess. How I'm going to do is, doesn't matter. So when you have that powerful intention, how doesn't matter. HOW, how doesn't matter. I've heard people say a lot of times, I don't think I can really do much in this, and therefore I did not offer help. Or I don't think I have the resources to help the other person. Let me first earn as much. I want to serve, but I don't have it right now. First, let me reach that place. Well, if the intention is there, then the quantity or how you'll do it, all of that doesn't matter. You will figure out a way. You will figure out a way because that intention is so strong for you. So even out there as a leader in your organization, when you go there to support your people and you think you're falling short of anything, then first check your intention. When it comes to self-leadership, when it comes to working on yourself, empowering yourself, then if you're falling short of actions, if you are stuck in how will this happen, no, this is not possible right now, check your intention. Because as long as intention is intact, or whatever is the intention, that's the outcome, or your outcome is going to be in sync with that. Okay, it doesn't matter at all whether you have the resources or not. Has it ever happened with you that you aspired to do something and you were so clear, I want to do it, I don't know how it'll happen, but I just want to do this, and you figured out a way. Something which was seemingly impossible, you made it happen. Done that in the past? Experienced that in the past? How did that happen? Where did all of that come in? So that intentionality puts you in a resourceful state, and then you're able to just figure it out, right? So I just wanted to reinforce the power of intention. Yeah, so just focus on your intention. Check your intention every time you feel stuck or you feel that I don't know what I can do here. Check your intention. As long as you have the right intention, a strong intention, you'll have the outcomes in sync with it. Yeah, I hope this was meaningful. If it was and you had your takeaways, then please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.